What is the volume of this cube?
ABC and ABC.
Gosh, this is so fascinating.
Ralph, get that pencil out of your ear.
My cat's named Mittens.
Hey Lisa, are you going to watch my basketball game after school? It's Springfield Tigers vs Cherry Lane Leopards. I play number 9. This is so bad. The whole school is chaos.
What we need is a democracy. The end times are near.
Now, first training. War is your enemy. Punch it.
They're preparing for war.
Tell me what you're up to, Simpson.
A war?
Why?
You tell me.
No, you tell me.
Why would I tell you?
Because
Because what?
do you want the school to blow up? With all the teachers gone, we won't be able to control the school.
Yes.
Or what do you know?
I won't stick my nose to it. Bleed it.
About the war?
There's a war going on.
Yes, but what else do you know about it?
My cat's named Mittens.
Right, he's useless. Bring the next captain. Alright.
Why are you doing that, dork?
Oh my, this
Trying
guy.
to get a concussion?
Nelson, tell me your ideas. I don't care if it gets all of us killed. We need to find a way to get out of here. We're trapped. And I swear somebody's put dynamite. It's like 3 minutes until that explodes. Right, we're gonna have to deal with you later. Let's go.
Wait! What about the dynamite?